Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson number 7, the verb avoir, which means to have. In French, this verb is the second most important verb and is the stepping stone verb of the French language. And it's an auxiliary verb which will help you in many of the tenses, past or future, to better explain yourself. And avoir, to have, is used at many places, different places, giving you different grammar concepts and meanings to your sentences. Before starting our lesson, let's learn the very important concept of all the European languages, that is conjugation. Unlike in English, we use the same action word in all the sentences. The verb remains the same. He speaks Hindi or we speak Hindi. The speak, the verb, doesn't change in English according to the personal pronoun. Whereas in European languages, speak will change as per the personal pronoun. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. There is always a change in the pattern of the verb conjugation with each and every personal pronoun. And this will help you in the lesson followed to understand the concept of conjugation. So, are you guys ready to understand the verb avoir, to understand its conjugation? So, are you guys ready to start with the lesson? Let's go! Let's get started with the conjugation of the verb avoir, to have. Let's start. J'ai. Oh, wait. Before that, we've already done the concept of personal pronouns in our last lesson. If you by any chance missed it, please visit the last lesson which is showing on the channel currently. And let's do a quick revision. Whoever has missed it can revise it with us. Je is I. But here JE is written as J apostrophe. So there is a small concept here. When there are two vowels, when a word ends with a vowel and when a word starts with a vowel, we always put an apostrophe, eliminating the vowel ending of the first word, like it is done here. JE is je and AI. So it starts with a vowel. We've eliminated the E here and we put an apostrophe. So when we put apostrophe, we completely pronounce the entire word together, as I've already told in last lessons. In French, we do this. So it is je. But je is I. Q is you. Il is he. Elle is she. Nous is we. Vous is you with respect or for a group of people. Il is they. Elle is they. Il for group of people, for male and female both, or only male. So let's get started with the verb avoir, conjugation. J'ai. I have. Tu as. You have. Il a. He has. Elle a. She has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You have. Ils ont. They have. Elles ont. They have. Again, we are doing it in the similar way as we did it for the verb être. We've categorized all in singular and plural for no confusion. Je is singular, its plural is nous. Tu is singular, its plural is vous. Il is il, he to they, and elle and elle, she to they. Please remember these small concepts. It will help you in the further lessons. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. अरे इतना नहीं बस. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.